Thank you for choosing Cooper Lighting Solutions Fail-Safe Upper Air UVC Fixture, the GAC. The GAC is a UL 1598 listed ceiling mount lighting fixture that distributes UVC in the upper air, guarding room occupants from exposure to UVC. The result is air that is constantly cleaned while people are present and is a proven and effective solution against hundreds of bacteria and viruses. This video will help guide you as you install the GAC, but it should not be used in lieu of your instruction manual, which includes additional and important safety information. Please read all instructions carefully, review the contents of the packaging, and locate the tools required to complete the install. For this installation, a screwdriver is needed. Prior to installation, please confirm that all power is disconnected. The first step is to ensure that proper electrical conduits and equipment are in place for the power feed. Next, gain access to the plenum above the grid ceiling by removing the ceiling tile. Then, place the GAC fixture into the ceiling. Install the 4 grid clips to ensure the unit is secured to the grid system. Check with local codes to ensure compliance. Then, remove the access plate and make the necessary electrical connections. A quick disconnect is provided to allow for easier removal for routine maintenance. Finally, please replace the ceiling tile and ensure that all of the steps in the commissioning guide are followed. Refer to the commissioning guide for further instructions. Congratulations! You have now completed the installation of Cooper Lighting Solutions Fail-Safe Upper Air UVC Fixture, the GAC. It's time to safely turn the power back on and let the power of trusted UVC do its job and continuously clean the space.